should I do it or not? I'm so scared, you guys. Like, actually purple shade. I don't know whether it's going to look purple on my hair. I'm very scared to use it here. Should I use it or not? I can't explain my feelings now. I'm screaming inside. I'm screaming like anything because I feel like I made some big mistake or something like that. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica here. You're watching me on my channel Be Yourself. If you're first time here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Already you have seen the title that I'm going to color my black hair. I'm going to do some highlights on my hair. If you want to know how I do it, please keep on watching. So today in this video I'm going to use the Streaks Ultra Highlighting Kit. So this one I bought it from Amazon. This is also available in Nykaa. I actually received 2 packages in this, and each cost 160 rupees per box. I got delivered in 3 days. During lockdown, Nykaa and Amazon delivers it. I got it from the coffee collection in the shade Hazel Brown. There is lot of shades available from Streaks. They have blue, green, red and all the funky colors, and they also have from lighter shade brown to darker shade brown, and also blonde shades are available, and the most affordable kit. I'll give the link of this in the description box so you can go and check it out by yourself, and also I'm going to unbox it before getting into this video. So this one comes in this cardboard packaging, and all the instructions are given backside step by step. Also this one costs 160 rupees, and this contains one blonder powder, colorant developer, conditioner, instruction leaflet, coloring brush, highlighting brush and gloves. So much for 160 rupees. So we have the first step, which is like 1:2 ratio. It contains the blonder powder and developer. It also comes with a highlighting brush. Let me just open this. So this one has blonder powder and developer. You have to mix this together, and this is your first step. And next comes your second step, where you have like a cream colorant and developer. So this one, I think so this one, the first step was bleaching, and this was the coloring kit, I guess. So this comes with the brush, applicator and a colorant cream. So this one is a cream and a developer. You have to mix this and use it as a second step. Then it also has some conditioner, 2 sachets of Shine On conditioner, instruction leaflet and a pair of gloves. I'm so much impressed with so much of product for 160 rupees, and I'm so excited to try this on. Let's get started. So before that, let me just read this leaflet properly. Before getting into this application, I'll just read the leaflet properly. And first we have to wash our hair and towel dry. So I'm not going to do that, obviously. I washed my hair 2 days back. And put on the gloves. Mix the entire quantity of blonder powder and developer, the first step, in a non-metallic bowl. So I'm going to use a ceramic plate to mix it. And after this, select and separate the hair strand that you wish to highlight. And also it is advisable to cover the shoulders with a towel to protect your clothes. So I'm already wearing my old t-shirt, so I'm not bothered to mess it up. Next step is to place a strip of aluminium foil below the selected hair strand. Take a liberal amount of the paste of step 1 highlighting with the step 1 highlighting brush and apply it evenly on the entire hair strand, leaving 1 centimeter from the root. So we have to leave like 1 centimeter from the root, and then apply the first step, and then do the first step. So for this I don't have aluminium foil, so I'm going to just like that do it, and wrap the lightened hair strand with aluminium foil. I don't have it. Then continue the same application procedure to be lightened. Okay. Now I'm not going to read the whole lot. I feel like I understood something. After applying the first step, you have to leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it off, and then proceed with step 2. After doing the step 2, again you have to leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it off, and then use the conditioner. Okay. You have to also do patch test before applying. Do your patch test. You may be allergic to it. gonna use on our face, like the Oxy bleach. So I'm going to mix it properly so that the powder is nicely dissolved in the cream. For one packet of the developer, you have to use half the sachet of the powder, not the whole sachet. I just made that mistake. Then I realized that the powder is a lot, and I removed half of the powder. I again read the instruction leaflet again. Then I realized the ratio is 1:2, not 1:1. So stupid I am. That's why you have to read your instruction leaflet well. So now that I have nicely mixed it up, so this is how the bleach looks like. I don't know like where to highlight. I'm just thinking of highlighting my front hair. I haven't planned anything, but then I'm just thinking of highlighting my front section. I always like to highlight here, and I also have some silver strands, which is a lot. So I'm going to do highlighting here. Definitely not on my scalp. I'm going to highlight just my hair strands, and that too away from my scalp, not like 1 centimeter. I'm going to do like 5 inches away from my scalp because I'm so much scared I can't lose my hair. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to take a small section of hair from the front side. I've taken side partition and use a tail comb so that you take a proper section of hair. And then so as you can see, I've taken like a very small section, and then comb it out and nicely spread it like so. And then using your tail comb, you have to go zigzag, okay? Got it? And now we have like 3 strands here. Now we are going to highlight this hair, okay? Oh, I forgot to put on my gloves. My hair, and I've clipped it like separately using this. I'm not having an aluminum foil like beforehand. If I know that, I would have got it. So be prepared to have aluminum foil before doing this highlighting thing. So I've clipped my hair. I've rolled it and clipped it with some Tic Tac. I've rolled it and clipped it with some Tic Tac pin so that it's nice and separated. And I'm not going to leave it for 30 minutes because 30 minutes is it's going to make my hair very blonde. So when it turns color a bit, when it turns a little bit of color, I'm going to wash it off. Like I'm going to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. That I can already see that my hair is turning its color. Like I hope you can see on the camera. So I will now leave it for another 5 minutes and then I'm going to wash it. I'm not going to take too much of time.
Now that I finished my first step, I would say that this brush is not good for highlighting purpose, like doing the strokes. This one really worked well, and yeah, let's see. I'll wash it off and then I'll come.
Now I have washed my hair. So this is how the after the first step my hair looks like. So I could see that the first strand which I applied the blonde has really lightened. Now it has turned into a very light brown color, but these are the strands which I applied later. So I think so the time taken for the first strand to change its color and the last strand, I haven't given much time to this because I couldn't wait. So if I leave this for a long time, it will turn into more blonde. I don't want that to happen. And this last strands, I haven't given them much time, but still we'll see the results when it's completely dry. Now it's wet. I have washed it separately. Now let's see when it's dry. Okay. So I've air dried my hair. So this is how my hair looks like after the first step. As you can see, it has lightened my hair a lot, and after drying my hair, it's more prominent. Yes. So let's move on to our second step.
So for that, I'm going to mix this developer with this cream colorant.
Now I'm nicely going to mix this cream with this developer. You should nicely mix it.
Looks like purple. I'm so scared. Like it's turning to a light purple shade.
Hope this is not purple. Okay. Let me just double check. So it's written hazel brown in the packet. So hope this one is not a purple shade.
Actually, purple shade. I don't know whether it's going to look purple on my head. I'm very scared to use it here. Should I use it or not?
It's written hazel brown in the package. I know hazel brown is something to do with the brown shade. It has to look like this. But then this is looking purple. It's legit purple, and when I'm mixing it, the purple is getting more intense.
Should I do it or not? I'm so scared, you guys. Like,
I know about hair coloring, like I know a little bit about hair coloring, that I used to color my mom's hair, and whenever I mix the hair color, like the cream and the developer, it turns out to be like black or brown, whatever color I'm mixing, and now this is turning out to be purple. I don't know whether it's going to show if it's purple on my hair or it will show hazel brown. Should I go for it? Oh my god. But this looks delicious. This looks damn delicious, and I'm scared. Let me read the instruction leaflet again. I'm very scared. If you're check the colorant cream also. It is written ultra highlight hazel. It is written ultra highlight hazel brown. But then the mixture is looking purplish. But whatever, I've started this, so I have to go for it. And I'm going to start doing the coloring thing. And also, before that, let's wear our gloves. Okay?
I can't explain my feelings now. I'm screaming inside. I'm screaming like anything because I feel like I made some big mistake or something like that.
And this color, this beautiful color is scaring me the hell out of me. It's just making me worry so much. It's so beautiful, but yeah, let me start coloring. So firstly what I'm going to do is that I'm going to separate this section from the rest of my hair. So I have highlighted the front part of my hair. So I've separated the front part of my hair. I'm not going to color the rest of my hair. I'm just going to leave this hair behind, or I'm going to tie it up. I'll be leaving this for 30 minutes and then wash it off, and also after washing I'll be using this conditioner. I'm not going to take my camera to my bathroom to show that, obviously. So after washing I'll be using this conditioner, and 2 sachets it will be enough for my hair. After using this I'll come back. Okay, bye.